Alright, welcome to the Wildcat in the wintertime. Well, check it out. Right now, I've got a 2000 first edition Commodore. It's a Holden SS Commodore VT, and one of the same except that fancy one right here. That's a pace car. Okay, both these cars are just about exactly the same weight. I just got through finishing these cars up, and the interiors are intact. And you know, I didn't screw up the front end on the yellow one this time, and they look pretty cool. I'm pretty stoked about how these turned out, and I've never raced them. So without further ado, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, first of all, sorry Simon, but you're driving the yellow one, because the blue one, that one's mine. It's staying home. All right. Okay, let's check this thing out. Let's see what happens here. I'm kind of excited. I don't know if I could do this angle. I got the track kind of screwed up again, but it's smoother than it has been probably forever. All right. And they're off. Oh man. Look at Hot Car Track go. They got smoked. So what you're saying is I can keep that fancy Holden here. Okay, did a lane swap, and we got Triple J on the inside. We got Hot Car Track on the outside, and the yellow SS Commodore VT. And they're off. Oh, once again, Hot Car Track gets a big lead. Oh, caught him towards the end, but ran out of real estate. Well, that was pretty cool. All right, let's go for another race. 4 more Holdens. Pulled out. Triple J's not in this one. We got Hot Car Track on the far outside. In the center, we got KC. On the left, we got the Hot Wheel boys. And in the back, the heaviest of the Holdens, we've got EnZed Racing. EnZed Racing. Come on, man. He's been hot in the Ferrari, and we will see the Ferraris in just a bit. But let's see what happens here. I want to see if EnZed can fight his way from the back to the front. Take that checkered flag. Let's find out. All right. Let's go. Oh, it's a scrap. EnZed's coming from the outside. Does he have a chance? No, but it was close. What a race that was. What a good race that was. All right. Woohoo! Those Holdens are something. How about a little Vantastic? Vantastic at the Wildcat. We're testing for Mount Western Raceway. Okay, in the front, brand new van. This is a Johnny Lightning, straight out of the package. No modifications whatsoever, no tires, bald and naked. We got the yellow Spy van, James Bond van, it's a Johnny Lightning as well. We got Sean the Ford, 007 Sean. And then we've got the Hot Wheels 55 Chevy panel. And driving that, we've got Marc D, Triple J and Sean. Hot Car Track is going to be the guinea pig in the new Johnny Lightning. And in the back, it's a Chevy. Why not? EnZed Racing. Let's see what happens here. This should be good. Oh, the wind's picking up, boys. All right, let's check this baby out. Little Vantastic. Some competitors, potentially. Let's see what happens. Johnny Lightning's off to the early lead. Oh, it's a wipeout. Oh, and look at Sean traverse his way through. Woohoo. Well, that was anticlimactic. We got to try something else.